What's up guys, and welcome to day 4 of my luxury kite clinic. I love running my clinics at this spot because the bungalows are incredible, the service is amazing, and the food is just delicious. So I really enjoy myself being at these clinics. So join me for a good time and let's get out on the water. If you want to book my luxury kite clinic, then head over to gethighwithmike.com, and I hope for your sake that it isn't sold out. Phew.